Hi there, this is Ken. This is my 1966 Airstream Sovereign. I have totally rebuilt it, and by that I mean probably over 5,000 rivets and 3 years of work. So here's a quick look at it. Just going around it. This is an aluminum trailer with a steel frame, and it has new axles, new wheels, new tires, electric brakes. It has a custom gray water tank that I made down there. It has been totally removed from its chassis, and the actual shell was hung in a tree after I spent about a year gutting it and taking the insides out. I made that bumper, and eventually the shell came back on, and then I got to work on the interior. This trailer is basically brand new at this point. Everything in it works perfectly. Let's get a look inside. So going inside, the floor, which people often ask about, is a composite fiberglass material. It's called Kusa 3/4. It's used in boat building. So if this trailer gets wet, it's no problem. The floor is not going to rot out. So what does it look like inside? Let's get a look. This is the front dining area. And you'll notice that the inside is sheeted in 032 aluminum. This is something you do not see with many Airstreams, but if you check out the detail that's required to make this inside dome, it's impressive. The original Airstreams had a fiberglass insert. So I have under the seating area in front, 4 drawers. The water is under the front seat, and then turning around, you see the kitchen area. On the right side is a microwave air fryer oven with the refrigerator underneath it. On the left side is the kitchen. Custom built all these cabinets. They're actually really simple. They're just built out of 1/2-inch plywood. And then the faces are 1/2-inch solid core plywood. And the hardware is a marine boat hardware. People are always interested in that. So you could latch these as you drive down the road to prevent things from flying out. On the right side is the bathroom. Let's check it out. It has a door which rides on really thin concealed bearings, which you cannot see. Inside is the shower, missing the shower door, and then the sink and a composting toilet with a dome light. Backing up a little more, just looking at the kitchen again. So there are 4 drawers here just for kitchen items, and then this bottom drawer is for the 10-gallon hot water heater, and then there's a propane furnace under there. This is for keeping mice out, so dry food storage goes in here. Mice cannot get in there. This is a real mouse area where I am right now, and it has a stainless steel farmhouse sink, some nice fixtures. And then heading into the bedroom, there's a divider wall. This is the bed. It's a queen. And the back has the same design with the many pieces of 032 white aluminum painted and then riveted. This is what the rivets look like. So again, the inside was totally gutted, all electrical, all plumbing. Even exterior sheets were replaced. And as I lift up the bed, you'll see it does that almost on its own. Here's your luggage storage under the bed. There's our inverter and battery charger, and the battery's right behind it. And that's where I keep the Starlink and my toolbox. And then on the side of the bed are little cubbies, so you could put books and things in there. The electrical is down here, a little bit dark. On the left is 120 volts AC. On the right is 12 volts. So I have air conditioner on 120 and some outlets. And aside from that, everything is propane or 12 volts. And we'll get a quick look at, the air conditioner is really cool. This air conditioner is 60 years old. It's original. It was also rebuilt. The compressor, the copper pipes, the controller, which now is a remote control, and it works beautifully. So I have a full HVAC system in the trailer. And I'll also post some pictures so you could check them out. And where does the trailer live? The trailer stays in Sonoma, California, where my son Carson lives. So I'm able to come visit on this corner of the property where I can camp out and eat outside, cook food, and just get out of the snow. Oh, I also built the structure above it. I call this the airport. I built that last winter because I didn't want to leave this trailer outside. So the trailer's 30 feet, by the way, and it weighs about 5,000 pounds. People often ask me what I paid for it. The trailer was given to me. It was given to me when my late wife was diagnosed with cancer so that I would have something to do in the following years. And it certainly filled that niche for me as I worked on this often alone for many nights and days, and have just now finished it and taken it on the first trip to the coast. It's worked out great. There are a lot of little fix-it items, punch list items that I'll be taking care of in the coming days. People also ask me about the truck. The truck was basically given to me as well from a friend of mine, probably the longest friend I've ever had in my life, named Ralph Tillotson, and he is now 90 plus years old. Thank you so much.